Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your milk system by hand. If you used your Siemens coffee making machines so many times to make cream milk coffee, latte macchiato, coffee italiano, blah 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 blah, milk coffee or fresh milk foam, etc., then it is time to make a hand cleaning because this milk system is automatically cleaned with a short jet to steam directly after preparing a milk drink. Of course, but in our time here, after a couple of months, you should perform this by hand because the steam technique cannot reach any corner and any milk thing inside that machine part. So we have to remove the entire milk system now. It's really easy. The milk system becomes extremely hot. Of course, so we have to look that this machine is cooled down a little bit. And now we can remove the milk system by pulling it straight forward. And then we can see this is a milk system cover in our hand. This is not good for dishwashers. We have to perform this by our hands, okay? Take care of it. Now it comes to the milk system with the entire tubes in it. It is really easy to get it out because the only thing we have to do is we pulling it straight forward to us. Job's done. Now it is removed. But there is more. We have to take apart the upper and the lower part of the milk system first, because we have to separate the milk tube from the suction pipe. Okay, this is important because there are so many tubes for coffee and milk, and the tube which is going into the machine, it comes back and goes back to the milk container. Okay, so we have to separate it first. It's really easy, as you can see. We are moving it on the upside down, and then we can start cleaning and removing everything. Okay. And if we remove that, because it is locked in position, and the only thing we have to do is we have to separate the milk tube from the suction pipe, that's enough, because it's a rubber material on there. This rubber material is full with, as you can see, a little bit of dust, coffee dust, and of course a little bit milk is there too. And this should be really clean off because of the care. Take care of bacteria and viruses, etc. So there it is. It's easy, as you can see, and now we're going to perform a clean process. For this, there is a really good brush. If you have a little brush, you can clean at the first step the tubes on the machine itself. And of course, the area where the milk system is attached to it, you can clean too. Of course, the tubes in this milk tube, you can clean too with that tiny little super awesome brush easily. And it's not enough like this in the dirt. We have to do this in a wet version by using water and soap, of course. But this is only to see where you can go and use this brush easily to clean everything. Okay, this is a theoretic way to clean your milk system. Okay, and now we will perform this to wash up with soap and warm water. This is really important. So let's perform it to clean this entire system underwater with fresh water. Hot water is the best thing for it. And you can see there comes a lot of dirt, a lot of dust, a lot of milk out of it, and job's done. That's awesome. After this, we are going to reattach everything, okay? The first step is the separated milk tube system has to be back in one part, okay? For this, we can see there are covers and nipples. These nipples, 3 of them, can dock into position, okay? So let's look to the 2 nibbles at the 1 nibble, push it back in position, job's done. That's awesome, isn't it? It is so easy. You can perform this too. Do this. I think a quarter year is enough for it, I think. Then, oh yeah, we have cleaned the individual parts with washing up liquid and a soft cloth, and then reassembling individual parts. Then we have to place the milk system back in the pillions from the front. Make sure it is straight. This is important because it has to be sealed. Otherwise, milk and other things like coffee, etc., can spread out there. It's not so good. So now we have to replace the milk tube again. Yeah, get it back in position. Oh yeah, and of course we have to replace the cover. Yeah, go and touch it again. And then, as you can see, our machine is ready to use again to make delicious and awesome, good tasting coffee like cafe latte, cafe americano, and the entire family of coffee which you can perform with this machine is so big and so delicious. But this will continuously only it gives you a good coffee if you're continuously clean the milk system each quarter year. So job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.